Welcome everyone. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to determine specific date over a calculated time period, specifically considering retirement scenario. It's a simple yet very handy tool that you can use to plan anything for future. This is not only limited to retirement, you can also calculate warranty expiration dates, membership expiration dates, promotional period end date, shelf life expiration, inspection dates and certification expiration dates. So whether you are a financial analyst or just someone keen on managing their future, stay tuned as we guide you step by step process.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
So this is the data of different employees and you can see that we have the employee ID, full name, job title, department, date of birth, and we want to calculate the retirement date as well as we want to calculate the year remaining. To calculate the retirement date, we will be using the EDATE function. It's a function in Excel that adds specific number of months to the argument. It has only two arguments. One is the date and the other is the integer that we want to add. So here in our example, the first argument will be the date of birth. After this we will put comma and the integer that we want to add is the month in 60 years. So I will write 12 into 60 because we are taking retirement age as 60. You can customize this date in your argument. I will write in this cell equal EDATE, hit the tab key, and then I will select the start date, that is the date of birth. After this I will put comma and then I will write 12 into 60. Then I will close this bracket and hit enter. So you can see that it has automatically calculated the retirement date for all the employees. You can see that I have the data of over 1000 employees and it takes very little time to calculate the retirement date with this function. Now if I also wanted to calculate the year remaining, then in this cell I will write equal year frac, hit the tab key, and here I have to provide the start date, and start date is actually the date today, so I will use the function today, bracket start close, put comma, and the end date is the retirement date, so I will select this cell of the retirement date. After this I will close this bracket and press enter. So you can see that it has automatically calculated the year remaining. And there you have it. We hope this tutorial empowers you to take control of your financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Until next time, happy calculating and best wishes for prosperous retirement ahead.